This is our fully assembled engine, and the function of an engine is to turn fuel into rotary motion.
So our Briggs and Stratton engine is a four-stroke engine, and a four-stroke engine is basically includes the intake stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. And in the intake stroke, a mixture of air and fuel goes through the carburetor, and then in the compression stroke, that mixture is compressed until in the power stroke it reaches a certain point where the spark plug ignites that mixture and causing an explosion, and then the fumes from that explosion are released in the exhaust stroke.
The engine block is it's the base of the engine. It's where most, if not all, the parts attach to, and it's also where the crankshaft and the piston and everything. It's all inside that.
The piston is what compresses the air and fuel mixture, and the piston is connected to the crankshaft.
The piston rings go on the outside of the piston, and their main function is sealing the combustion chamber so that there's minimal loss of gases to the crankcase.
Connecting rod is what connects the piston to the crankshaft.
The crankshaft is what converts the linear motion of the piston into rotary motion. It is also the main rotating component of the engine.
Here we have the flywheel, and the flywheel stores the extra energy produced during the power stroke of a four-stroke engine.
The camshaft is connected to the crankshaft, so as the crankshaft turns, the camshaft turns as well. And the turning of the camshaft is what causes the valves to open to allow air in and exhaust out.
The rocker arms take the radial movement from the camshaft and turn it into linear movement.
The push rods are what push the rocker arms up.
Here we have a spark plug which ignites the fuel and air mixture in the combustion chamber.
The function of a carburetor, it has several functions. First, it combines gasoline and air to the right ratio to create a highly combustible mixture, and it also controls the engine's speed, like how fast the piston goes up and down.
The air filter attaches to the carburetor and blocks any extra crap from going in with the air as the air goes into the engine.
The exhaust on an engine removes the toxic gases and fumes that are created during the combustion of your engine.